Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So Xolani, who is the host of Moja Loves TV show Sizokthola, has touched many on the previous last night's episode of his show where he exposes the underground world of the DRUG and exposes the biggest kingpins of this sick and twisted industry which destroys the lives of our South Africans youth, you guys. This industry is mostly run by Nigerian men, you guys. So Xolani Khumalo was quoted yesterday saying this very touching message on yesterday's episode. This is what he said. He said, "This is my home. I was born here and I will fight for it. I will die for this cause." Now, there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall certainly see you on the flip side. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.